Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and what I've got here is the Antec 25 PC case. This is a mid-sized tower case and it offers up some really awesome acoustics for your PC build. Now we'll start by taking a look at the front of the case. It's finished in this really nice sort of brushed metal panel on the front. Really adds to the overall quality feel of this particular case. And we've also got some front I/O ports. We've got headphones, microphone, also a couple of USB 2 ports and a couple of USB 3 ports. We've also got some little LED activity lights on the front. And this front door also swings open. It's got a magnetic latch. It's got some extra acoustic foam on this side of the door. We've got some filters here as well to keep dust from going inside of the case. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 5¼ inch bays. So on the top of the case here, we've got the main power on off button. We've also got a reset switch and then those 220mm top mounted fans at the back of the case. Now on this side of the case, we have got a removable filter at the bottom. This slides out the bottom of the case and this stops dust going into the power supply unit area. And we've also got some thumb screws that we can remove from this side panel. Very easy to get into. And then of course, as with most PC cases, this side panel then easily removes to reveal the inside of the case. And this is a really spacious case. In fact, we can fit a graphics card up to 330mm in length. So that's what you need to look out for to check that it's compatible with your particular GPU. Now inside, it's a really nice design. We've got this all black sort of powder coated finish to the case. It looks very, very nice indeed. Plenty of room for all of your components. We've also got 11 drive bays in total, 6 3.5 inch bays. We've got 2 2.5 inch drive bays, and they're dedicated to 2.5 inch drives just in here. And then at the top, those tallest drive bays for 5¼ inch devices, 3 of them just here. Very, very easy to access. And plenty of cable management at the back with these rubber sort of grommet areas. And we've got case fans already pre-installed. At the top here, we've got a couple of 120mm case fans, and on the back we've got an additional 120mm fans. And we've also got optional spaces for 220mm fans at the back and 220mm fans at the front. So you can really add some awesome cooling to this particular case. So around the back of the Antec 25 now, we've got some controls for the fans. We've also got the sort of rear opening for that 120mm fan that's pre-installed. We've got the I/O port opening here. This is where all your I/O panel is going to go. We've got PCI Express card slots. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 openings for card slots there. And then of course right at the bottom here we've got the opening for the PSU. Now this does support water cooling as well, and we've got rear mounted sort of water cooling grommets at the back of the case. The size of the Antec 25 is 526mm high. The width is just 231mm and the depth from front to back is 562mm. I think it offers up some really nice features, and the sort of highlights for me is the actual quality of this case. Sometimes you get PC cases that don't quite line up properly, you know, some of the bits inside are difficult to access, but this has just got a nice quality feel to it. And I do like the fact we've got all of this extra acoustic foam and acoustic properties to the case, which means you can build something that's quite a quiet build. So in closing, would I recommend this? Well, if you want something that looks the part and also performs very well, then the Antec 25 could well be the choice for you. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.